The Concept D9 is a laptop specifically created for designers. It features powerful performance and accurate color reproduction, and has a clean, professional appearance. The backlit keyboard emits a warm amber glow that lets you feel relaxed in any environment. A good display is important for creation, and you can see every detail in unbelievable clarity with this 17.3-inch 4K UHD IPS display. Color is also critical for design work. With a 100% Adobe RGB wide color gamut and a Pantone validated display, get a full range of colors to work with. Color accuracy is also a priority. The display has been tested and calibrated to achieve a super low delta E average of less than 1 to reproduce true-to-life colors. On top of that, the Concept D9 has a touchscreen, which works with a Wacom EMR pen. With 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, you can enjoy fast, accurate control and an authentic writing and sketching experience. The stylus is battery-free and has a magnetic design, so it stays attached to your device. The coolest feature is the patented easel hinge on the sides of the display. You can move the display closer or lay it down, and when you need to share the screen, just flip the display and your team members or clients can see the content. This laptop can also handle your creative projects. There's a 9th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, 32 GB of DDR4 memory, and more, meaning you can multitask at speed and handle complex 3D design projects. As for the GPU, it's an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080, allowing you to do real-time ray tracing and apply AI to the applications you use every day. You can do all your design work. It will be easier, better, and faster. When you're working hard, you want peace and quiet, and you'll get that with a 4th Gen AeroBlade 3D fan. Even when the CPU is at full capacity, it still runs at under 40 decibels, the equivalent of a library room. There's a full range of ports, including a Thunderbolt 3. This delivers data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, while also allowing you to connect to multiple 4K displays. With its flexible form factor, top-class performance, and stylish design, the Concept D9 is a powerful workmate for creators, providing a superior design work experience. Concept D. Let creators be creators.
In 2017, nearly 2,500 people went missing in national parks across the United States. When a missing person is in need of help, search and rescue teams are the first responders to locate and assist a person in distress. Their one and only goal is to save lives. DRR USA developed the Stealth Electric ATV with the intention to eliminate the noise of standard vehicles used during a search and rescue mission. The noise of a standard ATV makes it impossible for the rescue worker to hear anyone crying out for help. With the silent motor in the Stealth, the rider can easily hear their surroundings. The DRR Stealth is battery-powered, making it completely environmentally friendly and pollution-free. With the electric ATV, rescue workers are able to cover a vast amount of ground, reaching speed of approximately 35 miles per hour with an estimated 65-mile battery life range. To recharge the battery, it is as simple as plugging the charging cord into an electrical outlet. By using the DRR Stealth, rescue workers have better ground visibility that is not possible when searching with aerial vehicles. The Stealth Electric ATV is environmentally friendly by eliminating the 20 pounds of carbon dioxide that is released by a conventional ATV using 6 gallons of gas. By converting to a battery-powered unit, we are able to eliminate noise pollution and the disruption to wildlife. Our main goal here at DRR USA is to make these vehicles accessible to everyone, such as park rangers, search and rescue crews, and anyone who wants an easy-to-maintain, environmentally conscious vehicle for outdoor adventure. With your help, we can continue to reach more people, assemble our units here in the United States, and introduce an ATV that will help search and rescue missions across the country. Thank you.
Hi, I'm John Lorenz from Canon USA. If you're a photo enthusiast and have been thinking about a new camera to step up your game, the Canon EOS RP may be the answer you've been looking for. This is a full-frame mirrorless camera, and it's Canon's lightest and smallest full-frame camera to date, making it ideal to carry anywhere. And it's packed with technology and features to give you great images today and to keep up with you as your skills and interests continue to grow. One of the main reasons dedicated enthusiasts may want to step up to a full-frame camera is the promise of higher image quality, and the EOS RP does not disappoint. Its 26.2 megapixel full-frame image sensor, along with Canon's powerful Digic 8 image processor, deliver great still images, as well as impressive 4K and full HD video. Full-frame cameras also open the door to tremendous lens choices, especially for wide-angle images. The EOS RP uses the same Canon RF lens mount as the original EOS R camera, designed specifically to mirrorless technology, so it's ready to accept Canon's impressive RF lenses, including full compatibility with the RF lens's control ring. And with an optional Canon lens mount adapter EF to EOS R, you can use any of your current Canon EF or EFS lenses as well. Bring the EOS RP to your eye, and you're greeted with a large, high-resolution electronic viewfinder. This EVF is a fundamental change from what you see with a digital SLR. It's superb in low light and can display an incredible array of information, including a lens focus distance scale. The EOS RP also features a 3-inch vari-angle LCD monitor, which can swivel and rotate for ideal viewing and even face forward for selfies. And it teams up with Canon's high-performance autofocus system, Dual Pixel CMOS AF, for fast and accurate focus over nearly the entire picture area, even in moonlit conditions. You can change the size of your focus area from a fine single spot to a broad, wide zone. You can quickly move them up and down and side to side. And maybe most impressive is the face detection AF along with eye detection AF. This can put the sharpest focus right on a person's eye, even if you're tracking a moving subject with servo AF. These features can get you sharper pictures whenever you photograph people. If you're stepping up from a Canon APS-C camera, or maybe this will be your first interchangeable lens camera, and you want to move right into a full-frame model, the EOS RP is ready, with features for the newcomer as well as the experienced enthusiast. There are fully automatic special scene modes to tailor your camera settings for subjects like landscapes, portraits, sports, or even food. Get creative and modify your pictures in camera with the Creative Assist feature. And the camera is always ready for traditional shooting control up to and including full manual exposure, easily accessible along with a number of other options with the mode dial, familiar on other Canon cameras. Share your pictures with the camera's built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology. You can easily connect to compatible smartphones or tablets to transfer images and video. Add GPS settings from your device to the camera's images. And with Canon's free Digital Photo Professional Express, experienced photographers can have a mobile, raw processing workflow using compatible tablets. The EOS RP brings all this to the quality-conscious photographer in a full-frame camera body that's light and compact enough for travel. Easy enough for the first-time photographer to feel comfortable with, and sophisticated enough to appeal to the experienced photo enthusiast. This is the Canon EOS RP. For more information, visit the Canon USA website and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For Canon USA, I'm John Lorenz. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to the AeroGarden Farm family. We want to help you get growing. It's quick and easy to set up your new farm or Farm Plus. Just follow along with these simple steps, and don't forget to refer back to the assembly guide that was included with your garden. First things first, let's get everything out of the box and organized. We recommend assembling your farm on a carpet or another soft surface to avoid any scratching. Our first step is attaching the top of the garden to the left and right metal frames. Make sure the holes line up before securing the first set of screws. Once those are finished, open the side cover to locate the remaining holes. It's best to use your Allen wrench the long way through the larger holes to align the screws and washers before you tighten them down. Once the top and the metal frames are attached, stand up the garden and attach the two middle base bars at the bottom of the garden. You might have to pull the frames closer together in order to securely connect the base bars. Next, find the USB and power cords hanging from the metal frames and connect them to the corresponding outlets under the top of the garden. You'll also want to make sure at this point that you move the garden to your desired location. Make sure an outlet is nearby and that you don't put your farm too close to any vents or windows that could expose your plants to harmful drafts. With your wires connected and your garden in place, it's time to get the two grow decks and water bowls in position. Each grow deck should sit securely over the long pump nozzle, with the inside cord set within the notch out of the back. Now it's time to connect your control box. Place your box in the center of your garden to connect the pump and water indicator cords from both water bowls. Then, find the remaining USB and power cord hanging from the left metal frame and finish setting up your control box. Once all the wires are connected and in place, you can let the control box rest hidden behind the water bowls. The last step is an important one. Time to get those dual motorized 60-watt LED grow lights ready to shine. First, release the light cords from underneath the top. Next, remove the rubber plugs from the top of the lights and insert the small metal ends of the light cords. Then place the rubber plugs back into all four holes. At this point, gather the remaining power cords and plug them from the grow lights to underneath the top. You'll notice that the magnetic trellis system is left over. You can place your trellis into the side storage area until your thriving plants need extra support. Now you're ready to plug in the farm to any standard outlet and follow the quick plant instructions on the touchscreen to get growing. Happy growing! Still have questions or need some help? Go ahead and give our dedicated customer service team a call at 1-800-476-9669.